Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music Bass. In this session, we will learn a super easy bass line from Radiohead, from the song The National Anthem. The bass is tuned standard for 4-string bass, E, A, D, G, and the key is D major. For the distortion effect, I'm using my old Digitech bass driver. We're going to play our bass line like this. That is so easy. We're going to start at the 4th fret on the D string. Play that note. Then play it open 3 times. Go back to that 4th fret again, and then play it open 4 times. We're going to move down to fret 3, and then open 3 times. Then to fret 2, and then open 4 times. So here it is again. And believe it or not, you can play the entire song with just that simple line. And here's an example. Well, alright guys, that's all I can show you for this one. That's The National Anthem by Radiohead on 4-string electric bass. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.